method of education East versus West. A teacher from a Western country recently visited an elementary school in an ASEAN country. In one class, she 60 young children as they learn to draw a cat. The teacher drew a big circle on the blackboard and 60 children copied it on their paper. The teacher drew a smaller circle on top of the first and then put two triangles on top of it. The children draw in the same way. The lesson continued until the children were 16. One additionally cats in the classroom. Each student a cat looked exactly like the one on the board. Actual fakta about ASEAN education in many ASEAN countries such as Japan, South Korea, and China, the education system strongly emphasizes uniformity, described and obedience. Students are often trained to follow the teacher interaction precisely, which results in similar outcome for the whole class. This is reflected in the story where 60 children product 60 individual cats, showing how learning is more about equality and collective achievement rather than personal expression. The visiting teacher with the lesson and was surprised the teaching method were very much different from the way of teaching in her own country. Children are listened in her own country predict why. What caused this difference in educational methods in a classroom in any country? The interaction teacher more than art or history or language. He or she also teaches culture, the idea and belief of the society. Each educational system in mirror they reflect the culture of the society. Additional as a reflect of culture and religious. Just as education reflect culture, it also often reflect the religion value of a society. For example, in countries where Islam is the majority religious, education emphasize moral discipline and respect for teacher. In line with the Quran and Hadith, which stress the importance of speaking knowledge and honoring those how are knowledge stable. Through education, child not only learn academic subject but also enter the ethical and spiritual teaching for their religious. In society such as the United States or Canada, which has many natural religious and cultural differences, people hide value in individual, the difference between people. Teacher place a lot of importance on the qualitative, the make each student special. The educational system these countries so these values students do not memorize information instant, they work individual and find answer the often discussion the classroom and the early age student learn to from their own idea and official. In fact, one daily life because the education system emphasizes discussion and independent thinking. Students often adopt a lifestyle that includes crisis and flourishing and continuous learning. For example, they many prefer hobbies or activities that allow them to innovative or creative rather than just following strict routine. In most Asia societies, by contrast, the people have the same language, history, and culture. Perhaps for this reason, the educational system much of the Orient reflects society belief, group goals, and purpose rather than individual children. And China, Japan, and Korea reflect for together and help each other and segment in the classroom. The teaching methods are often very formal. The teacher, lecturer, and the student listen. There are not much discussion. Instead, the student research rules for information that they have memories. Connection with religious. In many Eastern countries, education emphasizing comprehension, respect, and following rules, reflecting not only subject but also etching discipline and obedience, which guide their daily life and behavior. There are advice and decide it both of this system education. For example, one invites on to system in Japan is that students learn more math and associate that American that learn by the high school. They also study more each day and more they age your that North American the day system in developed but profession student for associate that value describe and inverted learning method Japanese school, yet many students say that after exam they forget much of the information that they have memories. Connection with actual facta. In Japan, students study more math and science and spend longer hours at school than in many Western countries. This builds discipline and self-control, but because learning focus and memories, many students forget much of the material after exam. The Avengers to the educational system in North America. On the other hand, in the student learn to thinking for himself. The system prefers them for associates that value creative idea. There is between this phase when students graduate for high school, they haven't memorized many basic rules and facta as students in other countries have. Connection with lifestyle. Students have learned to thinking independently, develop a lifestyle of creative, curiosity, and self-reliance. They explore idea and make decisions on their own. Through they make memories for basic fact than students in other countries.